live in an age where technology blurs the lines between impossible and inevitable, and flying cars are no longer just a distant dream. This vehicle from a cutting-edge European design team transforms from road machine to aircraft in just 4 minutes, a transition so smooth it defies imagination. You can cruise at 78 km per hour on the ground and soar through the sky at 55 km per hour. The lightweight frame weighs 520 kilograms, constructed from advanced titanium alloys and carbon fiber composites. A custom-designed hybrid engine generates 110 horsepower, pushing the boundaries of aerial and terrestrial mobility. The maximum flight time stretches to 3 hours, with a ceiling of 4,419 meters. As a spectacular bonus, every purchase includes a comprehensive 2-week pilot training program. DI engineers are truly imaginative. It's fascinating how some vehicles defy traditional design. This buggy might look like something from a gaming concept, but it's a real-world marvel that transforms between seasons. In winter, it rolls on robust tracks that laugh at snow and ice, while summer sees it switching to conventional wheels ready to eat up dusty trails. Gaming enthusiasts might draw parallels to virtual battle vehicles, but this is no mere imitation. The creators even added a flexible bucket attachment, practical for snow removal or unexpected utility tasks. Why limit a vehicle to a single purpose when innovation can make it a year-round companion? This isn't just transportation, it's engineering that tells a story of adaptability and creative thinking. What if a vehicle could laugh in the face of impossible terrain while looking drop-dead gorgeous? Enter the Segway villain SX10, a buggy that obliterates the line between work and wild adventure. Fear no place isn't just a slogan, it's a promise carved in mechanical steel. A 105 horsepower engine nestled within a rigid chromoly frame transforms challenging landscapes into personal playgrounds. Electric power steering, a brutal winch, razor-sharp LED lighting, and a digital dashboard turn this machine into a technological Swiss Army knife. The Segway Power Sports app adds another layer of intelligence, allowing you to configure and control your beast remotely. With a massive 45.4-liter fuel tank and the ability to switch between 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive, the villain SX10 doesn't just explore territories, it conquers them. Ever wondered what happens when customization meets maritime engineering? AeroWake Boats turns boat building into an art form of pure personalization. These American craftsmen don't just build boats, they breathe life into your wildest aquatic dreams. Meet a fishing vessel with luxury seats and precision cup holders, or a rugged service machine that laughs at challenging conditions. AeroWake has you covered. With options ranging from a mind-blowing 1,500 horsepower engine to custom-designed configurations, they transform boat building into a bespoke experience. Every detail matters, from reinforced hull designs to specialized propeller options. This isn't just boat manufacturing, it's creating floating masterpieces tailored to your exact specifications. What happens when an iconic American truck meets rally-inspired madness? The tracked Ford F-150 emerges as a mechanical beast that defies conventional transportation. Even legendary driver Ken Block couldn't resist the allure of this modified monster, equipped with a Boss V8 engine pushing an earth-shattering 650 horsepower. Priced at a cool $85,000, this isn't just a vehicle modification, it's a statement. Imagine rolling through snowdrifts while your neighbors watch in awe, their standard vehicles helplessly stuck. YouTube is flooded with variations of this mechanical marvel, proving that sometimes crazy is exactly what engineering means. Transform your ride from ordinary to extraordinary. Imagine a vehicle that blurs lines between recreational marvel and commercial workhorse. The Visuva Tank roars to life, capable of reaching 80 km per hour and accommodating up to 10 passengers with 580 mm of ground clearance. Packing a thunderous 383 horsepower engine, this isn't your average ride, it's a mechanical chameleon designed to conquer both work and play. Priced around $76,000 and produced in limited batches of just 15 units annually, the Visuva Tank isn't just a vehicle, it's an exclusive experience. Surprisingly, operating this beast requires a tractor driver's license, adding an extra layer of intrigue. Want to transform your understanding of versatile transportation? Keep watching and we'll continue exploring automotive marvels that defy expectations. Prepare to redefine maritime engineering with Metal Shark's game-changing propulsion system that turned heads in 2017. The Swamp Shark Drive isn't just another boat modification, it's a technological revolution that caught military's attention for its extraordinary capabilities. Imagine a propulsion system that navigates through heavily overgrown, shallow waters and swampy terrain with surgical precision, handling up to 550 horsepower and an incredible 1,700 Newton-meters of torque. This system obliterates traditional water navigation limitations. Unlike conventional water jet systems, Swamp Shark Drive eliminates complex air intake cleaning and features a unique propeller design that bounces off obstacles like logs without sustaining damage. If you're hungry for more groundbreaking technological innovations that challenge conventional thinking, smash that subscribe button now. Our channel is your gateway to the most mind-blowing technological frontiers. What happens when innovation meets humanitarian necessity? The H2O Salamander emerges as the world's first amphibious trike, born from the Philippines' urgent need for adaptive transportation. Designed to navigate flood-prone regions housing 26,000 small settlements, this marvel cruises at 80 km/h on land and 11 km/h on water. Available with gasoline or electric engines, the Salamander can carry 4 to 6 passengers, a lifeline during the country's 19 annual storms. More than a vehicle, it's a testament to human resilience and technological creativity. Ready to explore how technology can transform lives? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovering world-changing innovations. Mechanical dragons aren't just fantasy, they're engineering reality. Meet DRACO, a breathtaking evolution of the Polish PZL-100 four-wheelger, transformed from a humble training aircraft into a bush plane that laughs at impossible landing conditions. Requiring just 24 meters for takeoff and 30 meters for landing, this versatile marvel can be fueled by jet fuel, diesel, or custom fuel mixes, cruising at an impressive 290 km/h. DRACO boasts a remarkable range of 1,690 kilometers. Despite a challenging crash in 2019, where fortunately no one was injured, the reconstruction project DRACO X continues to push boundaries of light aviation. This isn't just an airplane, it's a testament to human innovation. What happens when bicycle engineering meets off-road adventure? The Dekers Hunter emerges as a three-wheeled electric marvel that defies conventional transportation. This isn't just a bike, it's a customizable adventure machine. Riders can select motors up to 1.5 kilowatts and batteries capable of spanning 100 kilometers on a single charge. The Shimano Olivia Group set off as a sophisticated 27-speed configuration, transforming every journey into a precisely engineered experience. Quiet yet powerful, this trike blends the comfort of advanced engineering with the raw thrill of long-trail exploration. It's not just transportation, it's a statement of personal freedom and technological innovation. Electric revolution meets off-road legacy with Mahindra's THAR.e, an electrified reimagining of the legendary THAR model. Set to launch in India by 2026 with a starting price around $30,000, this electric SUV promises to redefine sustainable adventure. Dual electric motors and all-wheel drive combined with a robust 75-kilowatt battery pack, delivering an impressive range of over 400 kilometers. While maintaining the THAR's legendary off-road DNA, the E introduces cutting-edge upgrades, a new grille, LED lighting, and a massive touchscreen infotainment system. Ready to transform your understanding of electric off-road performance? Stay ahead of the automotive revolution. Subscribe now and join us in exploring the future of sustainable adventure vehicles. Here's an engineering masterpiece from Australia, an SUV that surprises not only with its design but also with a fluid drive system that challenges everything we know about vehicle technology. 4 fluid motors are connected to a pump which pumps a special mixture consisting of 95% water through them. The pump is powered by a BMW 1200 GS motorcycle engine, creating a unique propulsion system that feels more like a scientific experiment than a traditional vehicle. According to the engineers, fluid motor efficiency reaches an incredible 98%, with each motor weighing just over 10 kilograms. The design is so innovative that it makes you wonder about the future of automotive engineering. Sophisticated collectors are taking notice of this groundbreaking Australian innovation. What emerges when engineering meets absolute terrain versatility? The Parajet X310 all-terrain vehicle isn't just a machine, it's a testament to adaptive design. Engineered to conquer everything from bog-laden marshlands to snow-covered landscapes and unpredictable water surfaces, this vehicle represents next-level adaptability. A revolutionary space frame constructed from thin-walled pipes dramatically reduces weight while maintaining exceptional strength, bringing the total mass to approximately 2.5 tons. Those massive 1600 x 680 tires aren't just for show, they're precision engineered to handle soft terrain with unprecedented gentleness, ensuring minimal vegetation damage and surprisingly smooth asphalt performance. Capable of cruising between 60 to 70 kilometers per hour, the Parajet X310 transforms challenging terrains from obstacles into playgrounds. Prepare to have everything you know about snowcats revolutionized. The PRINOTH Leitwolf H2 Motion isn't just another slope grooming vehicle, it's a hydrogen-powered game-changer that's about to rewrite environmental transportation rules. Boasting an impressive 460 horsepower, this machine stores compressed hydrogen at a mind-bending 700 bar of pressure, offering a jaw-dropping 4-hour operational window with just a 20-minute refueling. Think eco-friendly meets high-performance engineering. The days of diesel-dominated snow terrain are numbered. These engineers haven't just created a vehicle, they've crafted a vision of sustainable mobility that turns heads and challenges conventions. Curious about cutting-edge transportation technologies that are reshaping our world? Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out any future update. Spitsbergen's travel solution just redefined group transportation. The TL6 Universal Platform transforms landscape navigation into an art form, comfortably hosting up to 24 passengers, including guide and driver. Capped at 50 kilometers per hour, this machine ensures travelers soak in every breathtaking landscape detail. Beyond tourist transport, the platform's versatility shines. It can be customized for specialized tasks like maintaining wind turbines in challenging snow-covered terrains. The Highland BV206 tracked carrier demonstrates how a single platform can revolutionize multiple industries, proving that true engineering brilliance knows no single purpose. Imagine an aircraft that laughs in the face of impossible landing conditions. Bush planes are the ultimate rebellion against conventional aviation, designed to transform the most challenging terrains into personal runways. With oversized, low-pressure wheels and ingeniously foldable wings, these aerial marvels can land at an almost unbelievable 18 kilometers per hour, requiring just 107 meters of straight line. From Antarctic cargo missions to remote passenger transportation, Bush planes represent the pinnacle of adaptable aviation engineering. These aren't just aircraft, they're mechanical chameleons that transform limitations into opportunities, proving that true innovation knows no boundaries. Electric racing just got a voltage injection of pure adrenaline. Welcome to the Extreme E series, where motorsport meets environmental innovation. McLaren enters the arena with the Odyssey 21, a beast capable of rocketing from 0 to 100 km per hour in a heart-stopping 4.5 seconds. Two 544 horsepower engines promise a racing experience that will leave you breathless. Imagine tearing across Greenlandic glaciers or battling through Saudi Arabian desert landscapes. This isn't just racing, it's a high-octane demonstration of electric performance pushing humanity's technological boundaries. Want to stay ahead of the automotive revolution? Buckle up and subscribe. We're your front-row ticket to the future of motorsport. Ever wondered what happens when Russian engineering meets extreme terrain? Meet the Laika Taiga, a track beast that turns wilderness challenges into playground adventures. Designed for hunters and adrenaline junkies, this off-road monster isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of survival. Constructed with high-density polyethylene plastic, the Taiga boasts an ingenious design featuring a built-in rollover evacuation system that could be a lifesaver in critical moments. Weighing 1,999 kilograms and comfortably seating 4. This machine transforms muddy swamps and snow-covered landscapes into your personal racetrack. Capable of reaching 59 kilometers per hour, the Taiga isn't just transportation, it's your ticket to uncharted territories. What's your take on this rugged marvel? What happens when off-road legends decide to rewrite the rulebook? The Jeep Bob concept emerges as a wild testament to automotive imagination. Born at the Easter Jeep Safari in Moab, this modified Gladiator Rubicon throws conventional design out the window. Dramatically shortened and equipped with massive 40-inch wheels positioned at the vehicle's extremities, the Bob concept screams rebellion. Remember our last video on off-road vehicles everyone wants to ride? This machine takes that passion to another level. With a canvas top replacing traditional roofing and doors stripped away, it's pure off-road freedom embodied. Powered by a robust V6 turbo diesel engine, the Bob concept might not hit production lines, but it's already captured the hearts of adventure seekers. A glimpse into Jeep's untamed engineering spirit that leaves enthusiasts dreaming. Imagine an electric sports car that doesn't just drive, it literally leaps across terrain like its marsupial namesake. The GFG Style Kangaroo isn't just a vehicle, it's a technological revolution on wheels. Italian engineering has birthed a machine that defies every expectation, combining electric performance with chameleon-like adaptability. Carbon fiber sculpts its aggressive frame, while an innovative suspension system allows ground clearance to transform from 5.5 to 10.3 inches with supernatural precision. Dual electric motors generate a thunderous 483 horsepower, propelling the Kangaroo from 0 to 62 kilometers per hour in a breathtaking 3.8 seconds. 3 integrated monitors turn the dashboard into a futuristic command center, blending entertainment, navigation, and pure technological wizardry. This isn't just transportation, it's a glimpse into automotive evolution. When automotive engineers decide to unleash pure madness, the Chevrolet Beast emerges. More than a vehicle, this is a four-wheeled rebellion that transforms the standard Silverado into an off-road predator that would make military engineers jealous. A monstrous 378 cubic inch Chevrolet Performance LT4 engine roars with 660 horsepower, promising performance that blurs lines between street machine and terrain conqueror. The suspension design rewrites the rulebook, delivering an astronomical 34.5 kilometers of ground clearance with suspension travel that defies physics, 30 kilometers in front and 39 kilometers in the rear. Recaro racing seats with 4-point harnesses aren't just a feature, they're an invitation to adventure. This machine doesn't just challenge terrain, it demolishes it. What happens when avant-garde design meets electric innovation? Mercedes-Benz and US designer Virtual Abloh have birthed a 6-meter marvel that challenges every automotive convention. This extraordinary electric coupe defies expectations, a two-person vehicle that redefines luxury mobility. Imagine a transparent hood concealing solar panels, an axe strategically placed next to the driver, and an outer safety cage functioning as a trunk. Each element is meticulously designed from scratch, blending aesthetic hints of Rolls-Royce with Mercedes-Benz's unique vision. More than a vehicle, it's a statement of future mobility that refuses to be confined by traditional automotive thinking. This isn't just transportation, it's a mobile sculpture that transforms the very concept of personal transportation. What emerges when Russian creativity meets automotive imagination? Introducing Cage, a concept that laughs in the face of conventional transportation design. This 3D artist's brainchild offers a revolutionary dual-mode mobility system, seamlessly transitioning between tracks and wheels. Borrowing the cockpit ergonomics of a Formula One racer and sporting sleek lines that could slice through wind, the Cage challenges everything you thought you knew about vehicle design. No windshield means you'll need a helmet, turning every journey into an adrenaline-packed adventure. Perfect for those who see vehicles as more than just transportation, but as statements of pure engineering audacity. If you're craving more mind-bending vehicle innovations like this, smash that subscribe button and join our tech-loving community.